Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today I have a journal to share with you, another one. If you are new here, my main channel is in the corner over there. Go check that out if you would like to see dioramas and miniatures. But today I have a journal flip through for you. These papers are from Shabbydabbydoodah on YouTube and Etsy as well, and I really enjoyed working with these papers. They are a green, black, Gothic kind of theme, and she came out with that in October of this year. So I bought the set online. I also have a purple set. I haven't used that one yet because I like this set a little bit better because of the imagery. I couldn't wait to play with it, and I finally did, and here it is. So what do we have? We have a cloth-bound striped journal. It's hardcover, 3 images of the pack, some vintage dictionary, a dreamer tag, a metal embellishment, and some creepy cloth at the back, and 2 metal book corners. On the side here you can see this little dude hanging and dangling around. It is removable if you don't like that kind of thing, but I thought it would add a little bit extra to this journal. And the back is just a stripy stripe cotton. The spine is about 2 inch. And it is an A5 journal, which is 8.5 inch by 6 inch. And it's held together by a satin ribbon. And when we open it, you come to this. I have done a lot of sewing in this journal. I've added a little bit of my papers that are here. Well, they're not mine, but they are papers that I still had lying around. And I made a lot of little books that went into this book. So let's go through it. In this little pocket you will find a little mini journal, also with dictionary papers, some vellum and tea dyed and coffee dyed papers. And that's just stitched together into a little folder. A little ephemera page so you can journal at the back, and dictionary paper. Then this is the first signature. This book has 5 signatures. And the first page looks a little bit like a Jack the Ripper page, and it's absolutely stunning. So I did not do much to this page, just sewed around the edges, and on the back is another page. So that is what the first signature looks like. This is a little piece of ephemera. I did add some Tim Holtz words to it, and at the back is tea stained paper for you to write on. And inside this pocket is even more ephemera with tea stained paper and stitched around the edges. It almost gives a fabric feel to paper when you stitch around the edges and double it with other paper. It's just wonderful. And there's a little bell with a piece of lace, just held together like so. There's the signature, and this is the second signature, which is the same principle, stitched around the edges, bound in the middle, so there's lots and lots of writing space. Here's some lace with some glittery stuff on it, and another envelope with journaling pages and ephemera. And the third signature has another envelope with journaling pages on the inside, held together with a lace paperclip. And on the other side we have a pocket with a dictionary page and 3 double-sided well, not double-sided, but this is tea stained paper again that you can journal on. Absolutely beautiful ephemera in this journal. More ephemera here. And this is another envelope with journaling pages and a tag page, journaling thing, page. And under here you can also tuck more stuff if you would like. There's another folder ephemera tuck spot here, and there's 3 more journaling pages all stitched together again, and a dictionary page. The dictionary pages are from 1960 journal, no, are from a 1960 dictionary. More journaling pages and ephemera in this little envelope. And that was the last signature. This is one of the envelopes that comes with a pack that you can just cut out and stitch and do whatever you want with it. And those are the 3 journaling pages that are inside there. All together with another clip with lace. And then at the last page, that's what that one looks like. And another dictionary page, journaling spot, and this is the same as the little journaling booklet at the front. They are both bound with some embroidery thread. And that is it for this journal. I hope you like this flip through and this creation. If you have any other suggestions of journals for the future for me to make that are not copyrighted material like Disney, then please let me know in the comments down below. This journal is now available in my Etsy shop, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.